Welcome back to the Core Hub. My name is Dr. Faqid Kazmi and today we are going to discuss Random Forest, a powerful tool in the machine learning library. In this video, we will discuss applications of Random Forest, what is the Random Forest, why use Random Forest, how to use Random Forest. Let's dive in. Applications of the Random Forest. Before we get into what Random Forest is, let's look at some of its applications. Spam detection. Random Forest is widely used for classifying emails as spam or not spam. It analyzes patterns in emails to filter out unwanted messages. Healthcare. It helps predict disease outbreaks and patient outcomes by analyzing the medical records and symptoms. Finance. It's critical in detecting fraudulent transactions, analyzing spending patterns to identify unusual activities. Remote sensing. Random Forest is used in satellite imagery to classify different land covers and monitor environmental changes. These applications showcase the versatility and power of Random Forest in solving complex problems. What is Random Forest? Now let's understand what Random Forest is. Random Forest is an ensemble learning method that operates by constructing multiple decision trees during training. The final decision is based on majority. How does Random Forest work? Here is how it works. Data splitting. The data set is split into several smaller sets. Decision tree. Each subset is used to train a different decision tree. The trees are limited on random subsets of the data and use random subsets of features. Voting. Each tree votes on the classification. The majority vote is taken as the final decision. Example: spam detection. Let's illustrate this with an example of classifying emails as spam or not spam. Imagine you have an email dataset. A single decision tree might look at the presence of certain keywords to classify emails. For instance, is free in the subject line? Yes, likely spam. No, move to the next. Check. Does the email contain a link? Yes, likely spam. No, move to the next step. In Random Forest, multiple such decision trees are created. For example, tree 1 classifies an email as spam. Tree 2 classifies the same email is not spam. Tree 3 classifies it is as spam. The Random Forest algorithm will take the majority vote, which is in this case is spam. Why use Random Forest? Why use Random Forest over other algorithms? Here are some key advantages. No overfitting. By using multiple trees, Random Forest reduces the risk of overfitting. High accuracy. It produces highly accurate predictions, especially with large datasets. Handles missing data. It can maintain accuracy even when a large proportion of the data is missing. Scalability. It runs efficiently on large databases, making it ideal for big data applications. In summary, the Random Forest is a powerful and versatile tool in machine learning, offering a high accuracy and robustness of overfitting and missing data. Whether you are classifying emails or predicting patient outcomes, Random Forest can be a valuable part of your toolkit. Thank you for joining us today.